is a great analogy because yes, there are so many influencers they don't do this. This is sharing it to men.
How do you do rational drug designing? Number one, okay, remember this summary. This summary, compound database is there. Number two, ligand database is there. Number three, you do the receptor ligand complex. You see whether it is working or not. Okay. Next, number four, you design the drug, redesign the drug, improve the drug. Number quantitative, structure, activity, relationship. Quantitative is exact, precise structure. I told you about the structure. Activity, whether it works or not, activity. This relationship. Structure, activity, relationship. Structure is your key. Activity is whether open or not. Structure is your key. Activity is whether it is open or not. This relationship is what is called lock and key relationship. And that is what is called QSAR method to develop a drug. And this is done by molecular docking. And I will show you molecular docking. Okay, now you have a protein. Protein is your drug. It may be protein, it may be antibody, it may be anything. And when you design a drug, develop a drug, you cannot give it to a patient. It has to go through a series of processes. One is called preclinical development. It has to see, you have to see whether it really works on human beings or not. Alright? Where you have to develop, go for preclinical development. Then the most dreaded stage is called clinical trials, which is 5 different stages. Develop a drug, it has to be approved by ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay? And then, if it is worldwide, if you want to sell the drug all over the world, you have to go to FDA, Food and Drug Administration, the American agency, which will approve the drug worldwide. CMC, that is chemistry, manufacturing and control. Alright? This is the timeline. Okay, it takes so many years for you to develop a new drug. Alright, so you produce the random strain, then you go to lead optimization, then you have a lead and optimization, then drug candidates are produced, then you go for clinical trials, then you go for clinical trials, and then you go to the market.
So how can we identify if we are in that category?
Yeah, very good question. Very good question. Problem with cancer is, biggest problem with cancer is it cannot be easily diagnosed or identified.
What is the one thing which you made as a professor and a drug designer?
One thing, okay. Yeah, it's also a very good question, very interesting question. Nobody asked me this question before. I have given more than 100 talks outside, all over the world, but nobody asked me this question. Yeah. Well, he asked me, tell me one thing which made me to become a professor or a teacher. So, I am a born teacher. Means, from the childhood, I am teaching others. Okay, I am always a teacher. From the beginning, I want to become a teacher.